becomes alive when all these people come into it.
Every time we do a scene, costumes are lined up in front of Sir. And then he will handpick based on the color sequences, the palette, the way the DOP sees it, the palette of the background, the production design, really brings out every character.
You just enter the set and you become the character. Then, of course, the prosthetics and the makeup and the costume adds on to it. The सबसे, I think, interesting part is the dialect. हमें उर्दू में बात करनी थी, ऐसी उर्दू जो सबको समझ में आएगी.
First part is mind-blowing. Come on, Arvind, come on. Do a great shot, come on.
Very fascinating process to constantly be in a state of creativity. It's very important to create an atmosphere. I would want a certain kind of music playing non-stop, constantly on the set. Music is a very integral part of my being. I need music all the time. I know what I want my character to see. I know how I will shoot it. I know how I will picturize it. It all is a part of making music, of how I will place it. What will the character look like when she will be performing or he will be performing in the song.
Chalo, let's go. Stand by.
I freely with what I want to create. And this is the time to do it. When you evolve as a filmmaker or as an artist or anything, you have to enjoy it fully. You have to be consumed by it. You cannot make it alone. It's the brilliance of the cameraman, the sound recordist, the costume person, the set designer, the production designer. There's so many people working. The production team, the direction team. So they all have to be at their best. They all have to love my characters and my story as much as I love the story and the characters. We've made it. I've enjoyed making it. And I'm glad and I'm thankful to God that we made it. I'm thankful to all those who came along because it was a very difficult project. Nobody else will ever make Hiramandi again, or nor will I be able to make it again because it happens once.
Rocking. See, first of all, nobody can match Sanjay's vision. Sir को इतनी खुश देखकर हम सब बहुत खुश हो गए. All good. And the shot is.
I still can't get over the fact that today is my last day on this set. We are done with it and to finally let it go. So it is fulfilling a moment in my life to have said, thank God we made it.